everyone. Myself Kunal Panchal and welcome to the virtual project fair. My group member is Mayur Pawar and we are student of final year electrical engineering SRICT. Our group ID is 125940. Today's presentation topic is a feasibility and performance analysis of 225 kilowatt grid tied solar PV system, and our guide name is Mr. Praful Chudasama. This is the abstract of our project. Next. This is the abstract of our project. We all know that the non-renewable energy sources are extracting day by day, and the consumption of these sources causing of the pollution. Now, to mitigate this problem, we have to use the renewable sources, and which solar is the best option. Therefore, it is important to design accurately solar PV system for a better generation. In our proposed project, we have completed the feasibility and performance analysis of a 225 kilowatt system, which is located at Bharuch. Next. This is the objectives of our project, in which we have designed a 225 kilowatt grid tied solar PV system and compare with the actual one. And we have also completed the feasibility and the performance analysis of our system. Next. This is the roadmap of our project, in which we have first selected the project, did a literature review, design a block diagram, design of solar and system, and the various component designing, and as a result, we have generated the final report. Next. This is the block diagram of our project, in which the first of all the solar panel will be generate the DC power, and with the help of the inverter, this power is converted to DC into a AC power, and that AC power is delivered to the grid. Next. Now, my group member Mayur Pawar will be explained further. Mayur, over to you.
Thank you, Kunal. This is the pictures of solar power plant which we are visited. This is the component which are used in solar power plant. This is the energy generation graph, which are generated daily energy graph, PVC report. In our project, we are using a software which name is PVSys. This is the PVSys report. First of all, required data of the software. This is the required data of the software which are provided by us. Characteristic and modules and inverters. Arrangement of solar modules. This is the arrangement of solar module for a better shading option. Power losses diagram. In this PVSys report, there will be components, inverters, losses, output data in PVSys software. This is the output data of the software. The value of PR is high possible as near to the 100%, and the value of CUF is between the 12% to the 20%. This is a comparison data. In our project, we are comparing three different methods. First, PVSys method, which is based on software. Second, calculated manually, and third is actual plant data. So in this project, we are comparing all three methods, and the results of all three methods is near to each other. The capacity utilization factor of the PVSys report is 90%. In the manual calculation, CUF is 15%. In the actual plant, CUF is 18.45%. And the performance ratio is PVSys is 77%, and calculated is 93%, and actual plant performance ratio is 83%. This is the future plant of our project. In future, we are analysis the plant in different season variations. And the second is the economical analysis of the plant. In this, we are calculated the payback period and net present operation of the project. Conclusion. After doing the analysis of this plant, we are conclude that the PR and CUF of our plant is 85% and 15% respectively. According to standard data, PR and CUF is 70%, above 70%, and 15% respectively. So that's why our project generated report PR and CUF is lie between the standard data. That's why the project is feasible and high efficient at the location. This is the reference which are used. Thank you.